Claude can edit your Shopify themes and help you build out your store. But did you know that you can literally talk to it about your live store data? You can connect Claude to your Shopify account and simply ask why your sales spiked last week or which products your repeat customers love. Claude pulls the answers straight from your Shopify data. The easiest way to wire them together is with Coupler.io, a no-code connector you configure once, and from then on, it refreshes your data automatically on your preferred schedule. Let's see Coupler.io in action. First, I need to create a data flow. I can select one of the many pre-built dataset templates for Shopify, such as this one for top customers, or the one for stockout forecasts. I'll start from scratch this time. After giving my data flow a name, I'll select Shopify from the long list of available sources. Shopify lets you export orders, products, inventory, and so on. I'll start with orders, since that's where the sales trends and customer patterns live. Once in the dataset view, I can hide sensitive columns or any field I don't want Claude to see. Next, I'll choose Claude as a destination and set up the Coupler.io connector in 3 clicks. This lets Claude read from my data flows. Finally, I'll set the data refresh schedule to every 15 minutes, so Claude always works with near real-time data. And that's it. Claude can now read my fresh Shopify data anytime I ask. Let's say I run a small specialty coffee company, and I'm interested in the biggest sales trends in the last 60 days. Here's what Claude found. Equipment is what actually brings in the revenue, not the coffee. Items like the burr grinder generated more revenue than my top-selling coffee bag, even though they make up a much smaller share of orders. That's a finding I'd have to build a custom report to spot. Claude pulled it from one question. Now, I want to dig deeper into who's actually buying. Tell me about the customers behind those sales. Where are they from? What do they buy? And how often do they come back? This time around, Claude discovered that the single biggest lever I have isn't getting more customers, it's getting first-timers to come back. 2-order customers spend more than twice as much as one-timers and account for over half my revenue. I did this chained analysis in 2 simple questions because Claude carried the context from the first into the next. That's hours of spreadsheet work done in just one follow-up. Now, I'd like to mention Coupler.io's built-in AI agent, which queries the same data flow I just set up, right inside the platform. While Claude shines when you're deep in a conversation or ongoing project, the AI agent is the fastest path to an answer. For example, I was wondering, which products are my best margin sellers across all my paid channels? And there it is, a detailed analysis in seconds, no additional setup, not even a tab switch. Finally, you can also access Coupler.io's free dashboard templates for Shopify. This one, for instance, integrates Shopify data with GA4 and ad platforms like Google Ads and Meta, all in one interactive view. You can see the full journey from ad impressions down to actual paying customers. There's also a chart that stacks every platform's ad spend, so you can see exactly where your budget is going. Just imagine the report switching gymnastics that you'd have to perform to cover all this ground in native platforms. Dashboards also have an AI Insights button up top. Click it and it tells you in plain English what you might be missing and what to do next. And that's it for today. Now you know how to connect Shopify to Claude and turn it into an analyst who actually knows your store inside out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In case you want to learn how to connect Google Analytics or Google Ads to Claude, I'll link those videos above and in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.